Hello, happy Wednesday, May the 10th. I'm Jennifer Kirk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator from Guelph, Ontario. And we're going to make a cute, I think it's cute, fun fold card tonight. So it's one that I used as a swap in our team meeting. The theme of our team meeting for our swap was new colors. So I made it in the Lost Lagoon, Pretty Peacock, and the Lemon Lolly. And then tonight one, we're going to look at returning colors. So Lemon Lime Twist, Blueberry Bushel, and Berry Bush. So I'm going to use the Zany Zoo, which if you guys have not seen that, you need to look at it. It is adorable. Just love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, I'm going to turn you around. I do not have my iPad tonight. It may start up. It's dead. I just plugged it in, but it's not getting juice very fast. So I will not be able to see comments, but I will go back after and we'll respond to any comments that you may leave. So make sure you do leave a comment so I know you're here. All right, so close your eyes. I'm going to flip you up and yeah, let's go from there. So just give me one moment. Close your eyes. Don't want to get you sick. You don't really want to look at my ceiling either. All right, let's get this done. Just tightening it up so it can focus. Oops. Pulling over. It's all shadowy. That's kind of strange. Wonder why I'm getting shadows. Normally my lighting is pretty good. All right, that's going to have to do. Let's focus. Come on, guys. There we go. All right. So, not sure exactly why my iPad won't start up, but let's see if I can get it on my computer. Let's go. I'd love to be able to stamp along with you and see your comments. Of course, my volume is going to come on as soon as I turn this on. So let me mute it. And there we go. All right. So this is the card that we're going to make. We are going to switch up the colors. So again, still using new colors, but the ones that we're going to use today are all returning colors. So we're going to use Blueberry Bushel. So the base of this card is it actually opens backwards from what you would expect. So this is 8 3/4 by 4 1/4, and we're going to score that at 5 1/2. Okay, and the base is actually going to go this way. Then we have just look how bright these colors are. Love them. We have, I can't even remember the names, Berry Burst. Okay, and this is 4 1/2 by 3 1/4. And then we have our inside card, and this is 8 1/2 by 3, and we score this at 4 1/4. Hey Kathy, how are you? Make sure you guys say hi. Hey Heather. Oh, I'm so glad you guys are joining me. So you, Heather, you would have seen this card in our team swap, but okay. And then we have 2 pieces of basic white, which are 4 2 3/4. And then we have a piece of DSP, and this is from the balloon one, the Bright and Beautiful. Love this DSP, but it has all or a lot of the new colors in it. Yeah, so this is a super easy card, very little stamping, but let's get putting it together. All right, so I'm just going to put some glue on here. Oh, my iPad may have just turned on. Woohoo! Nope, it went back off. It's not cooperating. I didn't check it today for some reason. Okay, and then this, we're just going to stick right in the middle. See how easy this card is? But I just love it. It's so pretty. Like, it's fun. It's a fun card. You just have to remember that this side goes on opposite to what we would normally do. Okay, And there we go. And then this piece is just going to go straight on like that. Okay, and that's it. That is the card. Okay, so, and this one opens the normal way. Look how bright these are. I have so many birthday cards to do in the next month that I figured I better get some birthday cards going. All right, and that's it. Isn't that neat? So you could do this with any DSP you have, any cardstock. You don't have to have, you know, bright and contrasting. You can have them all matching. Super easy. All right, so let's get decorating our white pieces. So again, I need birthday. Look how cute this guy is. I just cut this straight out of the DSP. I don't know. Let me see if I have all of the pieces of the DSP here. Look at these guys. The dies cut some of these out, not all of them, but they do cut some out. But they're easy enough to fussy cut. So the die will cut out this little turtle here. But there's music themed ones. There's crafting and pastime themed ones. Dancing. Look at them. They're so cute. And then birthday. These are outdoorsy, you know, bikes, rollerblading, and then camping. Look at how cute they are. There's so much you can do with these. Like, oh, they're just so cute. And then the back is just all black and white. So this could be used for anything. If you don't like cutesy, but I mean, come on, who's not gonna like? Look at the beaver. Oh, love it. I'm having so much fun playing with it. Okay, let's get back to stamping. So I'm just gonna put this guy right in the, I don't know if I'm gonna put him in the middle. I'm just gonna put a happy birthday here, some confetti that will match. So let's get going. Okay, blueberry Bushel. Do you guys have these new colors? I love them. Love them. They're so bright and cheerful. Okay, so happy birthday. And do I want to do, what colors do I want to do? I guess I will have to, I should have gotten all my colors out. Okay, so I will do some Berry Burst confetti, but I wonder if I want to stamp off. I want to stamp off. So I'm just going to move this and I'm just going to stamp off. I don't want it too bright. Just random. Okay, and then I'm going to give that a clean. I should have done my lemon lime twist first. Okay, clean. This is already wet from stamping before my video. Hopefully it's clean. Oops, sorry, I just knocked the camera. Sorry about that. Okay, and then some lemon lime twist. Do I want that? This one can go full strength. And you could come in and color some of these shapes if you wanted. I'm not going to bother. There we go. Oh, I need one more. Probably need a pink one there. There we go. In there. So just random. You can do whatever colors you want. See how super easy this is? If you had to do a ton of birthday cards, and it's adorable, or I think it's adorable. Stampin' Up did awesome with this paper. Have you been able to play with your paper, Heather? Hopefully. Oops, that's not the one I want. I'm looking for my take a pic tool. Okay. So I'm just going to pop him up. Stick it down. Just like that. Oh, I'm so cute. Okay. I'm just going to use seal if I have, oh, I'm running out and I don't have a replacement here. Time to order. Okay. And, oh my goodness, he's so cute. Okay, and then we're going to put this guy on the inside. So I could stamp him, or I just cut him out with the dies. And we can color. What color should we do the raccoon? What color? Pecan pie? Let's do the new pecan. Since we're doing new colors, let's do pecan pie. So this is a light pecan pie. You don't have to color them. I could have just left them, but you know, since we're not doing much stamping, we might as well do some coloring, right? Did you guys get out and enjoy the sun today? Sorry, I can't see the comments very well because they're on my computer. You're working on it, eh, Heather? Well, I want to see what you make. Okay, let's do his tail. And add a little bit of darker. I don't think I want black, but let's do smoky slate for his eyes. I'm just coloring, I'm not really blending. And I'll add a little bit of smoky slate on his tail. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, let's go a little bit darker around his mask. Okay. All right, and then what? Crumb cake on his belly? I don't know if their bellies are different colors. Do you know? Adorable. You can make them whatever. You can make them purple if you want. Okay. All right. So he can go in here. What else do we want to put on the inside? Something great to celebrate you? I think that sounds good, eh? Did I get it on a... I did. I even got it on a block. All right, so blueberry bushel. And we do need to leave a little room to write. I guess you could put an extra white panel there if you wanted to, if you like to write a lot. But I think this is cute. So super easy, super fast birthday card. But it still has that cute, they wouldn't know that you could put it together in like a couple of minutes, right? Because it's just adorable. I think it's cute. I love the fold. And we're going to stick him there. Where's my glue? Right here. I think this is one of the quickest cards that we've ever done. What do you think? We could have him flying. We could have him on the angle flying. Oh no, we'll just have him standing. All right. Which one do you like? The bright or the more subtle colors? Let me know. I do like the fold too, Heather. It's so easy. And it's simple, but it's, I don't know. It pops. Especially with this DSP. So which one do you like? The really bright blueberry bushel or the more subtle Lost Lagoon? All of these are new colors. Okay, so Lost Lagoon, Lemon Lolly, Pretty Peacock, Blueberry Bushel, Berry Burst, and Lemon Lime Twist. So they're all new colors or colors that have returned to Stampin' Up. So I hope you guys have enjoyed that. It was a quick card. Again, I just cut these out of DSP, but there's lots of images here that you could stamp and color as well. So you don't need to use the DSP. But you know what? Why wouldn't you? It's right there and it's easy. All right. Yay. I have 2 more birthday cards done for my birthday I have a ton of birthday cards I have to get out in the next couple of weeks, so this helps. I hope you guys have an awesome evening and week. And for those of you that will be celebrating Mother's Day on the weekend, happy Mother's Day. And we will see you next week. Bye for now.